This is a 2021 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck. This trailer has quite a few added features. It is also a side ramp model. Please check our website for the full specs because I'm just grabbing a quick video real quick before it gets late today. I do know it's 7'6" tall and 79 inches wide, and I'm going to tell you it's 17 feet on the floor, but please double check the website. Again, 2021 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck with side ramp. As you can see, it does have an added awning. It has a hydraulic jack here and a water tank. Upgraded to aluminum wheels. It's got a 110 package with exterior outlets, and we've got some interior outlets. Full-length running boards. On the Gore trailers, we have a nice wide running board. We love that about the Gore trailers. 5-foot floor in the dressing room, I believe, though this looks a little bigger. This could even be 6, so again, please double check the website. We custom ordered this trailer back in 2021, but I don't recall all the details. 110 package here. Outlets up in the nose. Fans. Crank out roof vent. Clothing bar. Lots of bridle hooks and a boot box, and inside of our boot box is that power inverter. Brand new feed bags and the bungee ties for the high ties outside. Rubber mat on the floor. Walk through door from the horse area to the dressing room, and a clothing bar. Excuse me, that's a blanket bar. Clothing bar is there. 2-horse straight load, again with the side ramp. It's a 12-foot horse area, 7 feet from breast bar to butt bar, and then an additional 3 feet in front of their heads. So you've got a 5-foot space here at the front of the trailer. 2 pop-up roof vents. Lots of attachments here for strapping your wares. Padded breast and butt bars, padded sidewall, padded center divider. Interior lights, load lights, fans, sliding hip windows. It is a wooden floor in the Gore trailer. Steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum inner parts, wooden floor, fiberglass roof. The Gore trailer has insulated walls in the horse area, which is going to keep things much, much cooler than an aluminum roof. All these additions were done at the factory. This trailer was custom made. So that awning was done at the factory, fans, 110 package, hydraulic jack, all done at Gore trailers. Nice light side ramp, nice and low to the ground, not steep at all. Again, upgraded aluminum wheels. They're an ST235/80 R16 tire. Full length running boards. Very minimal marks on this trailer. We do have some black streaks on it, which is typical of our aluminum trailers, but for the most part, most of those have come off. We have 2 high ties here on the driver's side, some extra tie loops on the side for hanging buckets and hay nets. There's your inlet for your power that goes to the 110 that's on the inside. Again, this is a 2021 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck with a side ramp and quite a few custom features. The trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Please double check the specs on our website. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to give us a call.